the perfect gateway to long-distance riding. Why the Kawasaki Versys 650 LT wins for beginners for many new motorcyclists. The dream of long-distance travel often hits a practical wall. Most touring motorcycles fall into two extremes. They are either heavy, low-slung cruisers that are difficult to maneuver in traffic, or high-tech, heavy-duty adventure bikes that are intimidatingly expensive and complex. This gap in the market has created a need for a middle ground. A motorcycle that offers the comfort of a tourer without the overwhelming weight or technical complexity of a flagship machine. The 2026 Kawasaki Versys 650 LT positions itself exactly in this sweet spot, offering a versatile, manageable, and affordable entry point into the world of cross-country riding. The rise of the do-it-all motorcycle, the motorcycle industry, is seeing a shift in consumer demand. Riders no longer want a bike that only does one thing. There is a growing appetite for versatile machines motorcycles that can serve as a daily commuter, a weekend tourer, and even a light off-road explorer. While premium models like the BMW R1300 GS or the Honda Gold Wing represent the pinnacle of this category, they are often too much bike for a novice. They feature bleeding-edge technology and massive weight that can be punishing for a beginner. Instead, new riders are looking for bikes that prioritize tractable performance, power that is predictable and easy to manage, ergonomic comfort, an upright seating position that prevents fatigue, simplicity, features that enhance the ride without requiring a degree in engineering to operate, a beginner's toolkit. The Versys 650 LT Advantage. While Europe enjoys multiple versions of the Versys, the American market receives the LT model, a loaded version designed specifically for touring readiness. At a price point of approximately $10,399, it provides several key advantages for those starting their journey. Ready-to-travel features. Unlike base models that require expensive aftermarket additions, the LT comes standard with 28-liter quick-release lockable side cases for gear storage, protective handguards for weather and debris defense, a substantial windscreen to reduce wind fatigue on highways, manageable dimensions, and weight. One of the biggest hurdles for beginners is managing a heavy machine at low speeds. Despite its touring capabilities, the Versys 650 LT remains compact. With a curb weight of just over 500 pounds and a seat height of 33.3 inches, it remains approachable for a wide range of riders, making it as easy to navigate through city traffic as it is on an open highway. Just right technology. Kawasaki has avoided the feature creep that plagues many modern bikes. The Versys utilizes a 4.3-inch color TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity via the Rideology app, providing essential smartphone integration without being distracting. Safety is bolstered by essential, non-intrusive tech, including 2-channel ABS to prevent wheel lockup, traction control to manage grip in varying conditions, LED lighting for consistent visibility, engineering for the long haul underneath its approachable exterior. The Versys 650 LT is built on proven, reliable foundations. The heart of the machine is a 649cc parallel twin engine derived from the Ninja 650. This engine is tuned for tractability, meaning it delivers smooth, linear power rather than sudden, jarring bursts. Key spec snapshot: power, 66 HP at 8,500 RPM torque, 45 lb-ft at 7,000 RPM range, 287 miles, 5.5-gallon tank, fuel efficiency, 52 mpg. The chassis features a high-tensile steel frame and adjustable suspension, rebound and preload, allowing the bike to adapt to different rider weights and road conditions. Additionally, Kawasaki's signature positive neutral finder makes shifting easier for novices, reducing the frustration of finding neutral at stoplights. Conclusion: the Kawasaki Versys 650 LT succeeds by refusing to be an extremist. By balancing manageable power, practical storage, and comfortable ergonomics, it provides a low-barrier entry into long-distance touring, allowing new riders to focus on the joy of the journey rather than the struggle of managing the machine.